The world's first 3D-printed rocket launch. The future of space exploration is about to take a major leap forward with the launch of the world's first 3D-printed rocket. Relativity Space, a California-based startup, is ready to blast off its Terran 1 rocket, which is almost entirely 3D printed. The rocket is fueled by liquid oxygen and liquid natural gas, and the company's engineers are hoping to collect as much data as possible from the flight. Josh Brost, it's incredibly challenging. The number one goal for our rocket is to collect as much data as possible and learn as much as possible from the flight. To create the rocket stages and components, Relativity Space designed its own massive 3D printers, the biggest of which they called Stargate. Other companies, such as Australia's Fleet Space, are also exploring space-related 3D printing applications. Flavia Tata Nardini, in my ideal future, in 10 to 15 years, I won't have to launch satellites from here. I can build them up there. Redwire, a Florida-based company, has been conducting experiments using 3D printers on the International Space Station. Rich Bowling, NASA likes to say, "Make it, don't take it," and we've adopted that. Relativity Space hopes to use Terran 1 to lift satellites for other companies and NASA into Earth orbit. With the successful launch of Terran 1, the increasing use of 3D printing in the space sector is sure to revolutionize space exploration in the years to come. The future of space exploration is now closer than ever. Thanks for watching.